Well, I guess we're going to head to Davenport tonight. It's still yucky, very yucky outside here. But for whatever reason, Davenport, this all has missed Davenport. So the last picture I saw, high and dry. So got to get some gear lube in. I was supposed to be on meetings until 4 o'clock, but the last one ended. So I'm going to try to get us a jump start so that when he gets here, he said at 4:11, it's pushing it to get from town to here, but we'll get loaded up and head that way. Hot laps are at 6:30. Takes a hour and 20 minutes, something like that. So we'll go give it a try. Get on the track tonight, hopefully. So more to come later, I hope.
All right, Phoebes, that might be the last time you get to draw.
What happened?
You drew a 90.
Phoebes, you drew a 90?
Yeah. You did a good job pulling it out of there, but we could have used at least under 50. It's okay. We got some work to do. We're hustling to get unloaded, and we got some work to do to get in the show.
Slimy, or
I think the track is slimy. It just still feels like they're just a little bit.
Well, let's talk about how to tighten it up and maybe not go too far.
Didn't draw very well, obviously, like you heard. We drew 90, so we're starting, I think, 8th in the 4th heat, and we will have to get in the top 4 to transfer 3, get to redraw. So we'll see how it goes. Car was a little loose in hot laps, but the track was a little slimy. We tightened the car up a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Got to pass 4 cars.
What are you doing, bud?
Yeah, Brett.
Yeah! Dad, are you done doing the log ride? Are you done doing the log ride?
good.
That was good.
Car was pretty good.
Yeah.
It was just slimy down on the bottom, so you couldn't really go down there. But then we had all them caution laps where we packed it all in, and it was pretty good.
Looked good.
Wes was watching. He said it looked good.
Up around the cushion, it was just burp it. I mean, it was full.
What'd you draw?
12.
What did you draw?
12. The worst I could have drew was, I think, 16.
No, there's 4 heat races and only 3 out of each draw. You drew the worst.
No, 4 drew, 3 drew. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, only 3 readers.
Yeah, the fourth
I drew
place
the worst
cars.
one, yeah.
You drew worse.
Fourth place cars are 13, 14, 15, and 16.
So going 8th to 2nd got us
Good Lord.
in the show. I
Grandpa
guess.
texted me and said, "Can you have somebody draw for him?"
Yeah, hold on. I'm not gonna. There's only like 3.
Hold on,
There's only like 3 of them in there left.
Yeah. Well, that's only 3.
Yeah,
What the other guys? Did you see what the other guys drew?
I did.
That would have been
I
interesting.
said, "Was that 12?" She said, "Yeah." Yeah, that's good. As you can tell, we're just waiting around for the rain to happen. Heat race went pretty good. The car was good. Once the bottom got worked in a little bit, we were able to get by them and get up to the top and let her eat, as they say. It's starting to rain though. They're pulling Sport Compacts up, which is the race before us, but it's starting to rain pretty hard. I don't know if you can see the rain, but I doubt we get to race the feature. What are they hollering?
Yeah, somebody's hollering up there.
I don't know. That guy starts 3rd, and he ain't even out of the trailer. That's what I said.
I think he's maybe called it himself.
He ain't gonna get drawn starting 3rd.
He'd have that all over.
We're ready to pull it up on there if we need to, and it's getting heavier and heavier. But hopefully we get to race. The car's really good. Car's really good. I think we'd be all right. But
Maybe if we loaded it up, we'd change
It'd stop. crew chief wants to hook the car up. I think we should. Maybe it'll jinx it, and if not, we're ready to load up.
Yeah. That's